morning, traders, and welcome to the opening trade. I'm Ayla. Our camera is glitched, so it will not be here today. Before we get started, don't forget to first read and understand our disclosures found by both link and text in the description of this video. All right, let's do this. Here we go. Here is our current sim balance. So here we go, the opening trade. Yes, value. This column will match this if there's automated and manual trades, and this will be after the fees have been taken. And if you're curious about your fee schedule, check with your provider. You should always know what your fee schedule is, so that way you can be an informed trader. Okay, let's take a look at the back tested results from the previous 90 days. We will possibly see, actually, it's going to be over a 3-year period, not 90 days. Um, we will possibly see these systems trade later in this live stream. All right, so the first one we would see, oh, give me 1 second. Here, let's take a look at what's going on in the market. We have less than 6 minutes before we see the New York market open. Okay, so I scrunched down the chart so that way we could see what happened over the weekend. So here we go. This is crude oil, Russell, Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P 500. Let's take a look at what's happening in the news. U.S. Nuclear Corporation Cali from above restructuring. Amazon tech layoffs. Apparently, they did all the tech they needed to do, and now they can go. Who knows? All right. Professional Diversity Network acquires additional liquidity interest. Interlink welcomes Professor Graham Warren to the board of the UK subsidiary. Here is our backtest result for the YM. Here is the start and end date, the max drawdown, gross loss, gross profit and total net profit there. Here is the Russell um, start and end date. It's just a little bit different. They'll all be the same tomorrow. Here we have the max drawdown, gross loss, gross profit, and total net profit. Here we have the NASDAQ, max drawdown, gross loss, gross profit, total net profit, and the S&P 500. Max drawdown, gross loss, gross profit, and total net profit. We have less than 2 minutes before we see the New York Open. First thing I do is make sure that my candles are on a 3-minute candle, or that my charts are on a 3-minute candle. Then I like to make sure that I get zoomed in, so it's easier for me to grab candles, to see candles, to put my mouse on the candle to get uh, closing information. Mhm. Everything is pretty close to the 200 period EMA. That does not bode well for the automated trading because we need it to be far away. When it's really close to the 200 period EMA, there's not really much room to be for me. All right, so let's take a look. We have less than a minute. Hydra 1 beat community engagement on proposed transmission line in Clarington. Reduc Pharma on joint announcement says it will consider all available options. All right, so the New York market is open. We could potentially see our first automated trading strategy take place in 6 minutes here on the Dow. The crude oil, there is no viable manual trades for me to take at this time. Again, I always like to trade what's comfortable for me, as you should do what is comfortable for you. 5.9 empowers agents to deliver more fluid experiences with the support for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Channel Integration Framework 2.0. General Mills Incorporated files prospectus supplement related to potential notes offering due 2033 SEC filing. Neurosense Therapeutics and Massachusetts General Hospital's neurogenic labs to collaborate on a elucidating neurotherapeutic effects of Primex in ALS. So go them. We would like to thank you for watching, liking, subscribing. We greatly appreciate it. Our systems are automated and they are live enabled by the user. They run in the U.S. equity futures market and free trials to the automated trading systems are on our website at theopeningtrade.com. Don't forget to read and understand all associated risks listed on our website and in this video description. Natural gas falls as April contract near expiration.
Order filled.
All right, let's take a
Order
minute.
canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, taking a manual trade for a second time in crude oil here. I accidentally hit the wrong button this time. Alright, so what else is happening in the news? Missile maker MBDA eyes further growth in Italy after a strong 2022. John Hancock retirement appoints a new CEO for U.S. Retirement. All right, we have less than a minute before we could potentially see our first automated trading system fire up.
Order filled.
So I'm just going to close that so I can come over here and see. It did not fire off, but that's okay.
Order filled.
So let's go back to our crude oil.
Order filled.
All right, so corrected by crude oil. Take a little scoop out. So the YM did not see an automated trade, but we could potentially see one on the Russell, although I'm not sure if we'll see one fire off. It's very close to the 200 period EMA. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. Let's go back to crude oil. Gold retreats below US 2000 on a rising appetite for risk as banking worries ease. All right, we have less than a minute. We could potentially see. Okay, we did not see the Russell fire off. It's not surprising. It's bouncing right there at the 200 EMA. So we're gonna look at this crude oil. It has less than a minute before the current candle closes. We have less than 2 minutes before we could potentially see an automated trade on the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 as long as the automated trading indicators have been. At this time, there is no viable crude oil trade for me to take a manual, which is fine. We saw how the first three trades went, and we're up $10. On the Russell, there is no manual trade. Okay, so unfortunately, our automated trading system indicators were not met. Not surprising as how close the market is to the 200 period EMA. All right, well, we would like to thank you for watching, liking, subscribing. We greatly appreciate it. We have take a look here at the calendar. Let's see here. We have FOMC member Jefferson speaking at 5 p.m. And tomorrow the good trade, the good trade balance comes out and the prelim wholesale inventories month over month. And the HPI month over month, the S&P and CS composite 20-year HPI year over year, the CB consumer confidence, the Richmond manufacturing index, FOMC member bar speaking. So tomorrow we have quite a bit of information coming out. All right, you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, and we will see you tomorrow, or at least you will hear me tomorrow. All right, have a great day.